Hi traders, it's Anthony here. Let me introduce you to our indicators and trade signals. This is a breakout signal, breakup structure. We wait for the retest, we take the trade long, stop loss under the cloud, TP1, we take 2/3 of our position and then we trail the rest with our stop loss. Once again, breakup structure, we look for the retest, we take the trade short, stop loss. In a steep trend like this, we can go above the first row of dots in the cloud, follow it down, nice outcome, 6-to-1 risk reward reached. Breaker structure, the pullback, take it, we're long, nearly a 3-to-1 risk reward. Guys, gain access to our free Discord trading room. The link is on my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Gain access to the indicators and the alerts. Breakout, short it, we're still in this trade. Hope you have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next video.